Today we are going to discuss more on a tool called Replit. Right? I think this is one tool which everybody has provided brief information. I was able to put a hands on this tool, and to my surprise, it is like I was able to develop the entire application on my mobile phone. Right? I use iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I did a sign up on the related part, and post that I started giving some information on, let us try it out, like ingredients inspector, right? So when I say ingredients inspector, it is something like you have any of your food consumables packet, right? You have like many of the things like the daily soups, or maybe like corn powder or any of the things, right? So all these things behind that, or maybe like the Maggie, or maybe I can say specify like many of the things, right? Noodles related part which were there as a part of more store. Behind that, you will find the ingredients related part. Right, I just showed this. I mean, during the development, I provided all the information about what all the things as a features it needs to be there, right? Basically, it has to have a camera with a scanning capability, and it should also have something called as, so once it scans, it should be OCR scan, right? OCR is the optical character recognition, so it should identify all the characters and all. Once that data is there, start feeding that information to the World Health Organization related chemicals, where it will specify whether the chemicals is healthy or not healthy. So this was the business definition to have the ingredients inspector, right? So and then I started giving the set of details like initially I started scanning all the things it was giving error, and then later point of time I took that error and shared back to the same triplet, and it was able to solve all the related errors. And later I was able to achieve the view where when I scan it, I will be able to get which all the ingredients are more. For example, like high sodium, right, or high sugar, or maybe like any red color which causes cancer, right? So it was able to do all those things as a part of scanning and getting all the information of chemicals which were there, right? So this is so thing. It took around like 20 minutes, right? It's almost like 20 minutes. I was giving the clarity on what are the requirements and all those things, and then it was developing all those related for on the fly, right? So I was specifying this is not there, this is not there, and I was like, because they are providing this information has to be proper. And there was a point where whatever you scan, it was showing like empty, right? So then I provided a link where it should connect to a World Health Organization chemicals, right? Which are all good chemicals, which are all bad chemicals were there, which has to be when it is scanning and getting the details. So it was able to get all the related information and provide you the thing. So it will show you like a high sodium or a high sugar or any of the things as of now. But the technology behind this was like very surprising for me, because the database and all those things, connectivity and all those things, it was like on the fly, right? I was not even trying to open with the superbase or any of the things. The database which I tried to use in local.dev, here it took actually the Postgres database and every other single related information. It took everything one by itself, right? That was the astonishing feature, and maybe